Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Peace and Joy bundle. So here's all the supplies for the card, and here is the bundle. The bundle has these words that you can cut out with the dies, and the dies cut out 3 different layers here, a large, a medium, and a thin. And it has all these extra sayings, leaves, these stars, and the hollies and the berries. So I'm going to start by creating a background with the buffalo check background using the Stamparatus. So I'm just going to place this in here like so, and using crumb cake I'm going to ink up the stamp, and I'm going to press firmly down here. Got to press firmly to get all the ink on the cardstock. And we can slowly lift up and check and see. Okay, we want a little bit more pressure on there. Okay, let's check. Okay, that's better. We'll go with that. All right, so we'll just move this out of the way. And I'm going to layer it on this Whisper White background to give it some pop. I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal. And then I'm just going to place it down. And then I really like to add these dimensionals to this layer. So there's the start of our card. And then I'm just going to add some liquid glue here. This bright dye is a little bit tricky because you have the dot of the eye. So when you're cutting it out, you want to either place the dot of the eye on your layer, your next layer that you're going to place it on, like I did here. So I've got my dot. Or you can save it in the die right there. I don't know if you can see that. I've got it here in the die, so that it's not loose and you don't lose that little dot, because you want it. You want to finish off the eye by adding your dot, and we'll add some glue to this one as well. So we'll start with this layer right here. And we'll add this thin layer on. And we can bring in, sometimes I'll have a block that I'll use to help out. hold things in place. Actually, I'm going to put liquid glue on my words here as well, and on my leaves. Then I'm going to put some dimensionals on this in the middle so that I can tuck my leaves underneath on the sides. So I will place this right in the middle of the card here. And then I will add the Merry and Bright. Merry and Bright Christmas. And then I'll start tucking these leaves in. So we'll just tuck this one in over here. And we'll add this one. So I've stamped and cut these out. And then one of these down here. We've got another one up here. Here, and the last one down here. And there we have all of our leaves. And then we have a very merry and bright Christmas card. So as always, I'm offering a class on this bundle, and it consists of supplies for these 6 cards. You just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and place a $30 order using the December hostess code, and you can get this card class for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Peace and Joy card class, and I will send it right out to you. You can also choose one of my other classes that you can look at on my website as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos, and please click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.